Hello everyone, today we will take you through the entire process of fabric customization, from a piece of white cloth to digital printing, then cutting and sewing, and finally making an apron of your own. First, we've got a piece of pure cotton fabric ready. Today, we will be using a digital direct-to-garment printer to print the design. This method makes personalized customization easy, doesn't need playmaking, and is both eco-friendly and efficient. The freshly printed fabric still contains moisture and excess color, so it needs to be dry and fixed at high temperature to make the colors more durable and prevent fading. During the sewing process, it is important to leave seam along sides and keep the stitching even to ensure the finished product is strong and durable. Printing, drying, cutting, sewing. What pattern would you choose to customize your apron? Feel free to share your ideas in the comments.